Alright, what up y'all, it is your boy, and I'm doing this little voiceover right here because this trip was supposed to be longer, but apparently on the way to this spot that I went to following my dad, I wasn't recording, and when I thought I was stopping the recording, I was actually starting the recording, so the video is shorter than I wanted it to be, but besides that, I also want to do this video because my tire was unbalanced due to me probably pinching a hole in the inner tube after trying to put on 2 tires during the whole progress of me building this bike. And I put some Sahara Moto tire sealant in there to see if it would not only balance the wheel but keep any air from leaking, and this was a test to see if it worked out, and it did. Besides that, enjoy the rest of the ride. Here we go. Alright, fine, the road gets smoother. Sheesh. And it gets rough again. Damn, it's like this road is half smooth, half rough. What's going on here? This man doing? You drifting off the side, homie? You don't hear the bumps? This man don't hear that he's rolling over bumps? He's still in that shit. I wonder if the slime in the tire is causing the wheel unbalance because I had it sitting again after putting it in. This man did that just to get in front of me. I was about to say, what the hell, bro? I think somebody in a rush to go somewhere. But yeah, maybe the slime is causing unbalance in the tire because I did a short load 2 miles trying to get it to seal the whatever pinch was in my inner tube, and then after the 2 little miles it's been sitting for the last 2 days. So I'm wondering, is that maybe why I'm having a bit of an unbalance, because it doesn't feel like it's getting worse. I can't tell. I feel like just when I said that it might be getting worse. I hope not. Could also be a mix of the road, but yeah, it's feeling lumpy again. So I'm hoping maybe the slime just needs to be rebalanced. I would think it would have done that by now, with me doing already like 5+ miles just getting here. But who knows what's going on. I might just have to say fuck it and peel this tire off, get a new inner tube. Sheesh. Nice long cruise. Nothing but green lights almost. It feels good to be on this bike. It does, really does. Besides the fact I'm always scared it's gonna die. Feels good. Alright, we're kicking up to gear 2. When the hell do buses come down this road? Alright, well that's been a nice little trip, hasn't it? That's a crazy ass looking Jeep. Guess I might as well do my outro now. Hope y'all enjoyed this short little ride. Hopefully this bike doesn't just cut the moment I decide to cut the recording. Spin your boy. And I'm out. Peace. Yes sir. Taking it.